So guys, I received a PIN verification letter from Google because I have earned $10 from my YouTube channel. And guys, this step is going to be same for every single person who is earning, who is working with Google. Doesn't matter from his website or he has connected his YouTube channel like me and he is earning from YouTube channel. So guys, whenever you are going to cross $10 in income or equivalent to that currency, then Google is going to verify your physical address simply posting a letter, and that letter will contain a PIN which we need to insert there. We need to log in our Google Adsense, and there it will pop up that please verify your address, your payments are on hold. So we need to insert that PIN. So this is what we are going to do in this video, and let's see how this process works. So let's do it. Assalamu alaikum. So hi guys, it's me Waseem. You are watching Something Techy. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide in which I will guide you that how to add PIN into your Google AdSense and verify your address. Plus I will also explain in this video that why Google does it. So basically guys, obviously we are earning from Google, and Google wants to make sure that every person working on them platform is a valid person, a real person. So obviously they will verify our address as soon as we will cross $10 of revenue from your website if you are working, obviously, or if you have connected your channel. So as you can see that I have reached like 11 pound, nearly 12 pound I have earned from my YouTube channel. So obviously I was emailed, they sent me a letter, and that letter contains basically a PIN which I need to go basically to my AdSense and enter it there, and that's it. This is how it works, and simply guys, this is simple, basic. Every single person have to go through this process. This is something normal, something common for everyone. So guys, as you can see that on the 8th of March I received an email from Google AdSense saying that they have sent me a PIN, personal identification number, in the post, and there will be a PIN which I need to enter in my AdSense. Okay guys, so in order to add the PIN, simply whenever you are going to receive the PIN, basically it will be in that letter which you will receive on your physical address. Once you receive that, simply open that letter. There will be your PIN. First remove the edges of the letter, and then you will be able to see your PIN. Simply come into your Google AdSense, log in it there, and after that you will be able to see on the top it will pop up there that action required, or simply you can go in the payment section, and then in personal information or in the verification check side you will be able to see there that please add the PIN, or simply on the top that button called action, you can click it there. So I will click there. So it says that attention need and enter your PIN here. So basically I'm going to enter my PIN which is on my letter, and after that simply I will click the button submit, and that's it. And this is just this simple, and this is how it works. So guys, as you can see that the personal identification of mine is already completed, and the address verification is now completed as well. Now I'm good to go to receive the earnings from Google AdSense, and now I don't need to do anything else. So guys, let's talk about that. Basically, when you will receive this PIN, when the Google sends you, if you are living in any other country. So guys, in UK I can say that within 2 to 3 working days, or let's just say maximum 1 week, you will receive this PIN. If you are living in USA, then obviously the same. But guys, if you are living in any Asian countries such as Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, then it will take time. I guess like 15 days, maybe it can take up 1 month. So yeah, it depends in which country you are living. The time is gonna be obviously shorter or lengthier. So guys, this is how it works and how you can verify your AdSense address, billing address. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in any other video. Till then, bye bye guys, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.